Using Webflow's component is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can correctly use Webflow's component. So for that, as you guys can see, I'm at the dashboard of the Webflow and I'm going to click on this Open Designer. It will open up the Webflow's web designer. Now here, these are all the components, or these are all the elements in your website, and how can you add the new components. So for that, you simply have to click on this plus icon and you will be able to see all the elements or all the things that you can add it. You can add headings, paragraphs, you can add images, videos, YouTube. The UI of the Webflow is pretty basic. You will easily be able to do that, and after adding any of the element, you will easily be able to adjust it right here. The setting should pop up. Suppose I want to add the light box, so I'm going to click on this and drag the light box. The settings are popped up. As you guys can see, it lets me control the top margin, left margin, padding, and all the things easily. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.